Okay, time for a short wrap-up, and then we will tell you where will be SolidCAM 2025, and then another surprise. Okay, it will be very short because Michael said the buses are waiting, so we need 10 minutes at least. Okay. But the clicker is not working, so this is impossible. Okay, go back, please. Okay, so I'm summarizing just some main points. SolidCAM is the CAM for SolidWorks. Final, agreed. Everybody, yes? Every school working with SolidWorks needs SolidCAM for CAM. Every machine shop who uses SolidWorks for some design needs SolidCAM. This is final. Okay, I repeat again, our great strength is our cooperation with machine tool companies. You see here, Citizen, Star, Tornos, DMG, Mori, Brother, with cutting tool manufacturers, with controller manufacturers. In every country you are working, try to find the resellers of these major companies and cooperate with them. Obviously, our great achievement together with Titans of CSC, the Swiss Academy. It's a game changer, and as Donny said, now there is 106 episodes and he's aiming for 500. So people will really enjoy it. Okay, I remind again everybody, we want to give the CAM solution for the most complex needs of the customers. So we are giving our customers more value and they will appreciate us to pay for it. So it's good for both sides. We are giving them what they need and they benefit from it, so they give us what it deserves. Our newcomer, Solid Shop, Daniel Santos and his team. That was complete our ecosystem for manufacturing. Every one of our existing 20,000 SolidCAM customers need it, and all the future tens of thousands. Again, okay. I remind everybody again, our amazing AI solution. We are the first CAM company. Sandvik said something about Cimatron having something in September, but Mastercam not yet. So anyway, we have our amazing chatbot. And as we said, it has all our documentation, also all our webinars. Please move the next slide. So anytime you have any question about SolidCAM, technical or even sales-oriented, please benefit from the chatbot. And by the way, the chatbot is, you can start it not only from inside SolidCAM, just write solidcamchat.com. That's all. Everybody in the world has access to our chatbot. Next. Okay, I remind again one fact from SimData. Next. The market size every year of CAM software is $2.7 billion in 2023. 2024 estimated $2.8 billion of CAM software. So if we have the best CAM and the best teams and the best support, should we not capture more of this market? Yes. Okay, continue. Because today we have only, according to SimData, only 4% of this huge market, and we want to grow it to 10%. Next. How do we do that? By having much powerful business cooperation with our resellers, also branches and affiliates. We provide you with the best product portfolio, with innovation, with technical support, business support. What we expect from you, and I have repeated again in these 2 days, Specialized team. There's no way. If you don't have a specialized team for technical and sales and post-processors and subscription, you cannot do it. We have been in this business for 40 years. We know what works, and you have to believe us. We will assist you in pipeline management. Very important, because in the end, the truth in sales is the pipeline. If the pipeline is true, you will get results sooner, later, but if you have a good pipeline, you will get good results. And so, to summarize, SolidCAM major target in 2024-2025. I'm asking to best market and provide our powerful SolidCAM products. I'm saying this to our branches, affiliates, and resellers. And I repeat again and again, give best technical and post-processor support. And in the end, make more and more CNC manufacturing customers maximally productive and profitable. Next. So what's our target? SolidCAM #1 all over the world. Agree? Yes, we can. Next. We come to win. We come to win. This is our message to our competitors. We have the best product, best teams, best support. Be careful. We come to win. Okay, now let's see where is the next event. Jack, show us where will be the next event.